In the golden throne room, King Alaric enjoys a joyful morning with his three daughters. Laughter fills the palace air. That night, the king dreams of a shattered crown and his daughters scattered across the land. The sky darkens and his heart fills with worry. He awakens knowing change is near. The magical crown is split into three glowing pieces, each one placed in the hands of a princess. The air trembles with enchantment. The king blesses them, hoping they'll remain united. At dawn, the princesses set off on separate journeys with their pieces of the crown. The king watches from the castle steps, holding back tears. Destiny has called them in different directions. A storm brews above the kingdom as shadows spread across the land. Villagers flee while the wind howls through broken towers. The king's eyes fill with fear for all that is to come. Floodwaters rise, swallowing villages in waves. King Alaric wades through the chaos, rescuing a child from the current. His strength never wavers, even as his world washes away. The once grand throne room lies silent and cold. The king stands before his empty seat, the crown missing, the banners torn. Loneliness settles like dust. King Alaric takes up his staff and begins a journey of hope. He leaves behind the ruined palace and walks into unknown lands. His heart beats with one goal: to reunite his daughters. In a desert village, Seraphina stands tall with her sword drawn. She protects the people from bandits without hesitation. Her courage shines brighter than the sun. As the desert glows at sunset, the king finally finds Seraphina. Their eyes meet, filled with pride and relief. Together again, they hold their crown pieces close. Far in the snowy mountains, Lyra tends to the weak and the weary. Her hands heal and her heart soothes. She has become a quiet guardian of hope. When the king steps into her cottage, Lyra's eyes light up. She embraces him gently and warmly. Another piece of the crown is home again. Eleanor watches stars from a glass tower, her telescope gliding through constellations. She whispers to the universe, dreaming of answers. Magic sparkles in her every move. King Alaric climbs the winding stairs to find Eleanor staring at the stars. She gasps and runs into his arms. Now the final piece of the crown is complete. Around a campfire beneath the stars, the family gathers once more. Laughter returns to their faces. The flames flicker with love and light. The crown pieces rise above the fire, merging into golden flames. Visions of a bright future swirl in the smoke. Their hearts beat with renewed purpose. At dawn, they walk the forest path toward home. Flowers bloom where their feet touch the ground. The kingdom calls them back. Villagers cheer as the royal family helps rebuild their world. Stone by stone, the castle rises again. Love and strength lead every task. In a hall of golden light, King Alaric blesses his daughters. Each kneels with a symbol of wisdom, strength, and wonder. The crown hovers above them, glowing with unity. Three thrones now stand in the royal garden. The princesses rule side by side with grace and wisdom. The king, content, watches in peace. The kingdom celebrates under lanterns and fireworks. Seraphina dances, Leora gives garlands, and Eleanor lights up the sky. Joy echoes in every corner. In the castle's library, Leora unlocks secrets of the past. Her father watches, proud and silent. The books whisper truths only she can hear. Atop a tall tower, Seraphina stands guard. Her sword gleams under the stars as she watches over the realm. The night is quiet but never unprotected. Eleanor teaches the stars to children in the garden. Her telescope points to wonders yet unseen. Dreams grow under the comet's tail. In a sunlit hall, the royal portrait is revealed. The family smiles, immortalized in paint and memory. The journey ends in love, legacy, and light.
Hello, and welcome to my channel. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more videos.